We're back on Big Daddy Family Bakes. I'm Sid.
I'm Savvy.
And I'm Big Daddy. And today,
we are opening up a humongous pack of Pokemon cards. Woo!
yeah, we like Pokemon.
I love Pokemon.
We'll open up the box and we'll split up the packs. Let's get going. All right, this is the Pokemon box we're opening. You're going to open up the box, split up the packs so the girls can open. This is our foil that comes with every box. And then here's the packs. We got a Sword and Shield, Unbroken Bonds, Evolutions I think is the good one, and Burning Shadows. So we have 5 packs. So we'll do a little draw on them and they'll come back and open them in a second here.
Okay, so I picked my 3 packs and I have Evolutions and both the Sun and Moons because I love Sun and Moon. So let's get started. I'm gonna first open the Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds. Okay. Being very delicate with these cards because, yes, they're Pokemon cards. You have to be delicate with them. Okay. First we have Spritzee, Licking Tongue. Oh, I have him. Leonard, Sparrow. I also have him. Jigglypuff. I love Jigglypuff. Litten. Whoa. Marowak. Oh, an Energy. Weapon Builder. Oh, Surprise Box. That's a trainer. And Torcat. Oh, wait. I think that we got... Yeah, this is stage 1 of him. That's nice. Okay.
That's a Holo too. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, there's a Holo too. Sweet. Litten is a Holo. Okay. This. Oh. Oh, online. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Anyways, next Sun and Moon. Burning Shadows. Okay. First up, we have Sandy Gas, Rhyhorn, Meryl, Caterpie, Morlo, Stufful. We have an EX. I love EXs. It's foil too. Or Holo. He's only 200 damage though. That's bad. Energy. I've never seen a pink energy before. Trainer. Rhydon. And Lunatone. And then another one of those online things. EX was very good for that one. Okay. Next pack is the Evolutions. A Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie. Hey, we already got one of those. Poliwag, Mewtwo. He's cool. I have this guy too. Fairfetched, Surfin Pikachu. That's funny. Oh, a trainer. And Porygon.
Hey, what's up? I'm Sid, and I'm opening up 2 Sword and Shield. And let's get started, I say. Nice one. Stomp off. Land a crush. Nice, just chill. Oh, spring. I feel like this is a good one. Spring. No, not as good. What? This is super good. No, I wouldn't say. Just that. This one. Okay, and now for this one. very good. Let's start out with lamb and just 30. Perfect. Washer. Splash. Wow. He's one of like the best ones. Snake. Oh, what's up? Just an old granny with powers, I feel like. One of these good ones again. Just a spray bottle. Higher pumpkin. Berry. Luck. Pluck, pluck, pluck. Those are some good cards.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the quick recap. We got a bunch of foils, like 4 or 5, and then this trainer is also a foil. We also have Eidolon V and a Salazzle GX. I apologize that I said EX at first. And then the Surfin Pikachu has actually sold for $21 on eBay. So, he's a good card, even though he's not good in damage. But, yeah, our trainer was a foil. I think I already said that. But then just like a gathering of foils. But, yeah, that was all of our good cards in the Pokemon pack. And we'll see you next time on Big Daddy Family Breaks.